Honey is a natural sweet substance produced by bees from the nectar of flowers. It has been used for various purposes for centuries and is known for its potential health benefits. However, like any food or substance, honey should be consumed in moderation. Here are some common uses and potential side effects of honey. Uses of honey. Sweetener. Honey is a natural sweetener and can be used as a healthier alternative to refined sugars. Culinary purposes. Honey is used in cooking and baking to add flavor and sweetness to various dishes and beverages. Cough. Suppressant. Honey is often used as a home remedy to soothe a sore throat and suppress coughs. It can be mixed with warm water or tea. Wound healing. Honey has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, and it has been used topically for wound healing and to promote skin health. Energy boost. The natural sugars in honey, such as glucose and fructose, provide a quick energy boost, making it a popular choice for athletes. Skin care. Honey is used in skincare products for its moisturizing and antibacterial properties. It can be applied to the skin as a natural face mask. Allergy relief. Some people believe that consuming local honey may help with seasonal allergies, although scientific evidence is limited. Potential side effects. Allergies. While rare, some individuals may be allergic to honey. If you experience symptoms such as itching, swelling, or difficulty breathing after consuming honey, seek medical attention. Infant botulism. Honey should not be given to infants under 1 year of age, as it may contain spores of Clostridium botulinum, which can lead to infant botulism. Weight gain. Like any sweetener, consuming honey in excess can contribute to weight gain and other health issues if not balanced with a healthy diet and lifestyle. Blood sugar levels. While honey has a lower glycemic index than refined sugar, it can still affect blood sugar levels. Individuals with diabetes should monitor their intake. Contamination. There have been rare cases of honey contamination with toxins or pollutants. It is important to purchase honey from reputable sources. As with any food or natural remedy, it's essential to use honey in moderation and be aware of individual sensitivities. If you have any concerns or specific health conditions, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet.